The simplest way to uninstall a VPN on your Mac is to locate its application icon in your Applications folder. Drag the icon to the trash or right-click and select Move to Trash. Then empty the trash to remove the application files. However, this might not completely remove all associated files, which can cause issues later. Some VPNs install helper tools or kernel extensions that remain active even after deleting the app. For a thorough uninstall, you need to remove these residual files. Open Finder, click Go, select Go to Folder, and enter each of these paths one by one, deleting any files or folders related to the VPN. Path Library Application Support. Path 2 /preferences /. Path 3 Launch daemons. Path 4 Launch agents. Path 5. Path 6 /preferences. Look for folders or files with the VPN's name or the VPN provider's name. Be very careful when deleting files in these folders, as removing the wrong files can cause system instability. If you're unsure about a file, leave it alone or search online for more information. This Finder window shows how the interface looks when searching for files. Many VPN applications come with their own dedicated uninstaller program. Check the Applications folder or the VPN's website for an uninstaller. Using the VPN's uninstaller is often the most reliable way to remove all components of the VPN's software. Double-click the uninstaller and follow the on-screen prompts. After running the uninstaller, you should also remove any VPN-related network profiles. Go to System Preferences, then Network. In the network settings, select each VPN connection in the left sidebar and click the minus button to remove it. Finally, restart your Mac to ensure that all changes are applied and any remaining VPN processes are terminated. This step-by-step approach ensures no leftover files or settings interfere with your system's performance or privacy.